Hi, folks. Well, here we go. This is our first official chemistry online learning mini movie on something completely new. How exciting! Okay, that does work. This is gonna work. We are starting something brand new, and it's that thing. It's called Molarity, and the symbol for Molarity is, well, that would have been the big reveal, but I need to move my mouse. There we go. The big reveal. The symbol for Molarity is M. Well, funny that. What is M? Well, here we go. M, it's a brand new unit in chemistry. It will turn out to be a bracket in our dimensional analysis. And there it is. Moles of whatever you have divided by the total volume in liters. How hard can this be? Well, anyway, keep this in mind. Molarity is a ratio. Versus, for example, mass, which is just mass, or volume, which is just volume, or moles, it's just moles. Molarity is also always a ratio of moles of stuff divided by volume in liters. All right, there's two kinds of molarity calculations. You can read that one and that one. We're going to do number one right now, and it is called M at the end. Why is it called M at the end? Well, the problems are all going to look something like this. Blah, 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 blah. You know how chemistry works. And at the very end, it'll say, calculate the molarity. And at that point, you go, aha, this is an M at the end type of calculation. And, well, I'm going to just show you how to do it. The thing we're going to be using, this is going to be brand new. It's going to happen at the very end, and I'm calling it the funny last bracket. And I was being funny here. We all need to have a little festivity right now during these challenging times. There'll be a new bracket. There won't be a happy face in the bracket, but it will be something completely different. And we'll just do it, and we'll get there, and da-da-da-da. All right. You'll need this thing, and I've actually posted it on Canvas. I've actually set it as my background screensaver or whatever it is because, well, we don't have the one on the wall anymore because we're not there. Anyway, look at this. Here we go. 10 grams of NaCl are dissolved in water up to 300 milliliters. And who thought that science wasn't exciting? You now have salty water. You could do this at home if you wanted. But what is the molarity M for NaCl? All right. Well, even though you have no idea how this is going to roll, you have seen the pattern before. It's going to be a bunch of brackets, and that's what I'm starting off with. 10 grams. Now, you may ask, why didn't I start off with the 300 mils? Hold on that. All right. Guess what I'm going to do next? 1, 2, 3. All right. Converted it to moles. So you're thinking, well, I've seen this before. This is not that big of a deal. Well, this is where everything changes. And in fact, this is the first time in this entire chemistry course where we are going to intentionally break dimensional analysis. I have always said that whatever unit you have here, you must have down here. But if we are calculating molarity, molarity is a ratio of moles over liters. So, watch this. Oh my heck, what has he done? Well, think about it. The units of this thing right now are moles on the top, liters on the bottom, and that's exactly what we want. Crazy. It gets even crazier. Look what I put on the top, a 1 with no units. So this thing looks completely different. It is a 1 divided by the volume in liters. But if you think of it now, okay, grams got converted to moles, moles divided by liters, this thing will shoot out the molarity. Now, I forgot my calculator at work. So I'm using my high-tech calculating device. Indeed. At least it's not Hello Kitty. All right. Blah divided by blah divided by blah. Note that I turned the 300 milliliters to liters on the fly. We'll be doing that a lot. You can divide by 1,000 and convince yourself. All right. There it is. 0.572, 3 in, 3 out with a round. Now the units for molarity are M. So that's how we actually do this thing. I will write an M and NaCl. There you go. We did it. Now I need to figure out what we're going to do next. So, well, watch this again if you enjoyed it. I'll get some problems up and we can practice them. Bye.